Good day. For today's lesson, I will present you to the introduction to cloud platform and services. In this unit, you will learn the foundation of aspect of cloud platform and services, focusing on cloud platform, cloud services, and cloud migration. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to first, explain applicable cloud platform. Second, subscribe to cloud platforms and implement cloud services. And third, demonstrate migration and services cloud-based system. Cloud platforms. A cloud platform hosts server, hardware, and operating system in a web-based data center, allowing remote access to pay-per-use computing services like databases, servers, analytics, storage, intelligence, networking, and software. The cloud platform allows businesses to create and manage applications, store and analyze data, and deliver software on demand without the need of physical infrastructure. Cloud platforms comes in a variety of flavors. The following models are the most common. First, public cloud. These services are accessible over the internet and are available to anyone who needs them. Major providers include AWS or Amazon Web Services, Azure, and Google Cloud. They offer scalability, cost effectiveness, and global accessibility. Second, private cloud. Resources are dedicated solely to one organization and typically managed either on-premises or by the third-party provider. This model offers greater control, customization, and security, but may come with higher maintenance costs. And third, hybrid cloud combines both public and private cloud resources, allowing organizations to leverage the benefits of each. It offers flexibility, enabling businesses to use public cloud resources for scalable computing needs, while keeping sensitive data or critical applications on a private infrastructure.
Okay, so dito sa slide na to, papakita namin yung step kung paano mag-create ng Amazon Web Services account. So, to create an Amazon Web Services account, first open the Amazon Web Services homepage. And pangalawa, choose create an Amazon Web Services account. And note, if you signed into AWS recently, that option might not be there. Instead, choose sign in to the console. So, ano yan, may magpapakita doon na ganyan. May choices na ganyan. Then, if create a new AWS account still isn't visible, first choose sign in to a different account and then choose create a new Amazon Web Services account. And then number 3, enter your account information and then choose verify email address. Then may mag-send na verification sa inyo and yun, i-verify nyo yung email nyo. And important, because of the critical nature of the root user of the account, we strongly recommend that you use an email address that can be accessed by a group rather than only an individual. That way, if the person who signed up for the house account leaves the company, the house account can still be used because the email address is still accessible. If you lose access to the email address associated with the Amazon Web account, then you can recover access to the account if you ever lose the password. Then number 4, enter your verification code and then choose verify. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina. And then 5, enter a strong password for your root user, confirm it, and then choose continue. So, pag-create ng password, syempre, yung sinabi dati ni sir na dapat maraming symbols. Katulad yan, it must include a minimum of 3 of the following mix of character types, uppercase, lowercase numbers, and symbols. Then, number 6, choose business or personal. Personal accounts and business accounts have the same features and functions. Number 7, enter your company or personal information. Then, important for business accounts, it's a best practice to enter a company phone number rather than a number for a personal phone, an email address with a domain name that belongs to the company or organization that will be using the account. Configuring the account's root user with an individual email address or a personal phone number can make your account insecure. Number 8, read and accept the customer agreement. Ensure that you read and understand the terms of the AWS customer agreement. Then number 9, choose continue. At this point, you will receive an email message to confirm your account is ready to use. You can sign in to your new account by using the email address and password you provided during sign up. However, you can't use any account services until you finish activating your account. Then number 10, enter the information about your payment method and then choose verify and continue. If you want to use a different billing address for your account billing information, use a new address. You can proceed with the sign up process until you add a valid payment method. So, kailangan mo ng ano dito, credit card para maka-move ka sa next na process. Then, number 11, enter your country or region code from the list and then enter a phone number where you can be reached in the next few minutes. So, kailangan natin ng phone number na accessible. I mean, yung number mo sa phone, yung phone number mo para ma-access mo yung i-send nilang code. Ganun. Number 12, enter the code displayed in the CAPTCHA and then submit. So, may magpapakita dyan na CAPTCHA and then i-enter mo yan para ano ka, punta ka sa next na process. Then number 13, when the automated system contacts you, enter the PIN you receive and then submit. Number 14, select one of the available AWS support plans. For a description of the available support plans and their benefits, see compare AWS support plans. Then number 15, choose complete sign up. So patapos na. A confirmation page appears that indicates that your account is being activated. Then number 16, check your email and spam folder for an email message that confirms your account was activated. So check mo yung email mo para makita mo ron kung activated na ba yung account mo. And activation usually takes a few minutes but can sometimes take up to 24 hours. After you receive the activation message, you have full access to all AWS services.
Microsoft Azure. Azure was released in February 2010 by technology giant Microsoft to facilitate the development, testing, deployment, and management of services and applications through data centers owned and managed by Microsoft. An agile and open source computing service, Microsoft Azure is one of the quick growing cloud platforms today. It offers state-of-the-art security and is compliant with 90 industry-specific, region-specific, US, and global regulatory compliances. Azure integrates diverse cloud-based services, which include Windows Virtual Desktop, Microsoft Azure Stack, the Internet of Things, developer tools, mixed reality, storage, security, databases, containers, networking, migration, artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, and analytics. So this is the steps on how to get Azure free subscription. Go to the Azure homepage, then click on free Azure account on the top right corner. Also check blog post on Azure Bastion. Next is click on start free. So sign in or sign up for the Microsoft account using an email address and password. Enter your country, region, date of birth, and click next. Then there's a top up which is the enter the verification code received on the email address and click next. Type the caption you see your screen and click on next. Then you'll be redirected to Azure sign up page. Enter your region, name, phone number, email address. Note that you should use the same email address for Azure sign up and for the Microsoft account. Verify your phone number by clicking text me or call me and enter the verification code received. Also, check blog posts on Azure Managed Services. Enter the payment details. Make sure you have a MasterCard, American Express, Visa card, or Visa credit card, and international payment should be enabled. Next is check the terms and conditions and click sign up. Then finally, you have successfully created a Microsoft Azure free account and now have a lump sum balance of $200. Next is click on portal on the top right corner for the screen. You'll be redirected to the Azure portal. If you have exhausted your free credit, then you have to move the pay as you go subscription policy. If you have crossed the limit of time or time limit, then you will get your subscription disabled and cannot be perform operations until it's re-enabled. Note, if you are a student and don't have a credit card, then you can also register using your student ID. So the Microsoft Azure features. It is a superior solutions for data-related needs, outstanding flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency. Also, consistent performance across clouds. It allows users to scale up or down according to business requirements.
IBM Cloud is one of the most reliable, full-stack cloud platforms, which features a robust cloud computing suite. The cutting-edge platform offers infrastructure as a service or IaaS, platform as a service PaaS, and software as a service SaaS to enterprise via private, hybrid, and public cloud models. The industry-leading service of the IBM Cloud include VMware, Analytics, IoT, AI, blockchain, DevTools, CloudPaks, database, migration, integration, security, management, storage, network, and compute. Next, how to create an IBM Cloud account. The following guide will walk you through the steps required in order to create a new IBM Cloud account. Steps on how to create IBM Cloud. First, visit cloudibm.com in a web browser. Next, click to create an account. Step 3, enter a valid email address and password. Click to next and proceed. Step 4, you will be emailed the verification code. And please check your email inbox and enter the 7-digit verification code that you received. Example is below. And click next. Step 5. Just fill up the information. Provide your first name, last name, and country or region. Then click next. Step 6. Complete the account and notice and click continue to proceed. Then after that, complete the account privacy notice and click on continue to proceed. Step 8. At the verify identity screen, click on the register with a code option. Notice, please do not provide credit card information on IBM Cloud unless you are actively upgrading to a paid account and are willing to accept being billed for consumed services. Then, step 9. Enter your 32 characters IBM Cloud features code in the Enter Code text box. Then click Create account to proceed. Then success! Now you have IBM Cloud account. Here's are the IBM Cloud features. Enterprise-grade cloud platforms, top-of-the-line scalability, high-performance cloud services, and communication.
Good day. I am Dexter John E. Francisco, and I'll be talking about IBM Cloud, which is a type of cloud platforms. IBM Cloud is one of the most reliable full-stack cloud platforms, which features a robust cloud computing system. The cutting-edge platform offers infrastructure as a service or IaaS, platform as a service or PaaS, and software as a service or SaaS to enterprises via the private, hybrid, and public cloud models. The industry-leading services of the IBM Cloud include VMware, analytics, IoT, AI, blockchain, DevTools, Cloudpaks, database, migration, integration, security, management, storage, network, and compute. Here is how to create an IBM Cloud, which is this will be the following guide that will walk through the steps required in order to create a new IBM Cloud account. Here are some prerequisites. IBM Cloud Feature Code, which is a 32-character alphanumeric IBM Cloud feature code that is required in order to open a new IBM Cloud trial account. The participant of IBM Skill Build software downloads may request a code using these instructions, which is if you click these blue words like this na naka-underline, mapupunta ka sa kanilang website. All others must get their code from class or event organizers. Which is notice, please do not provide credit card information on IBM Cloud unless you are actively upgrading to a paid account and are willing to accept to be billed for consumed services. Here is the step 1. First, you must visit the cloud.ibm.com in a web server. Next, you must click on the Create Account. Step 3, enter a valid email address and password. Then click Next to proceed. After putting the valid email address and password. Step 4, you will be emailed a verification code. Now, you must check your email inbox and enter a 7-digit verification code that you received. After putting the verification code, you must click Next to proceed. That is, when you put the number or the verification code, that's what it looks like. Then click Next. Then provide your first name, last name, and country or region. After putting them, you must click Next to proceed. To complete the account notice, you must click on Continue to proceed. Then complete the account privacy notice and click on Continue to proceed again. Now, this is the Verify Identity screen. Now, you must click on the register with a code option. Notice that do not provide again the credit card information on your IBM Cloud unless you are actively upgrading or you want to upgrade to a paid account and are willing to accept the bill for consumed services. Step 9 is enter your 32-character IBM Cloud feature code in the enter code text box. Then click create account to proceed. Note again that students and educators at degree granting accredited academic institutions may obtain an IBM Cloud feature code through IBM Skills Build software downloads. All others should receive an IBM Cloud feature code from their event coordinator. Then there it is, the apply code. Next is success. You have already created an IBM Cloud account, which is it will tell you welcome to IBM Cloud.
Cloud migration strategies and consideration. Cloud computing provides easily accessible virtual resources like hardware, platforms, and services. Enterprises can choose from three services models: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, allowing for flexible payment structures and scalability. So this is an example. So it's similar to having a huge unseen toolbox in the sky while using cloud computing. Imagine that in order to finish a project, you need a hammer, a saw, or maybe an entire workshop, but you don't have the room or money to acquire them all. You can use this tool, in this case, computer resources like servers, storage, databases, networking, and software as needed with cloud computing. Migration to LaaS to PaaS. The infrastructure as a service model offering hosting services including network access, routing, and storage. It's suitable for quickly moving applications to the cloud without extensive re-engineering. So this is an example of LaaS to PaaS. LaaS allows organizations to use and manage their software, such as operating system and apps, without having to purchase or maintain the physical server themselves. This is similar to renting a house, where you can receive the freedom to live with whatever you want without having to buy or maintain it. For businesses that want to swiftly migrate their apps to the cloud, this configuration is ideal since it eliminates the headache and cost associated with purchasing and maintaining hardware.
Good day everyone, I am Lawrence Paul Evangelista and I will report the migration to PaaS. Platform as a service provide developer with a platform for web-based application development and deployment. An example of this is Google App Engine, where you can create web application using built-in tools and resources such as database service directly in Google Cloud Platform. This offers a quickly and easy way to develop application without the need to provision your own hardware or infrastructure. Next slide is migration related to SaaS and comparison among strategies. In the software as a service migration strategy, legacy systems are either replaced, revised, or re-engineered to utilize cloud-hosted software and data. This approach offers benefits such as recurring revenue streams, simplified maintenance, and lower delivery costs. In short, old and local software gets replaced with online services. Halimbawa nito ay ang paglipat mula sa local na email server papunta sa Gmail, and this provides benefits tulad ng lower cost and easily maintenance. Next slide is the comparison between the migration strategies. Different classification approach for cloud migration exists, including standardized format migration, component format migration, and holistic migration, which is involve migrating components separately. There is different approaches to cloud migration, such as standardized format migration, component format migration, and holistic migration. An example of these components are the format migration is moving an application from a on-premise server to the cloud. With this approach, different parts of the application like databases, web servers, and storage can be migrated separately without the need to migrate the entire system all at once. This helps the migrating process and tailor it to the specific needs of each application component. And this is the group 3 presenter. Thank you.